Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by choosing a legal, feasible path, jailbreak or sign sideload. If you pick sideload, set up a Mac with Xcode and Alt server. If you pick jailbreak, install a package manager. Once done, gather the Android APK and the app source or assets. Make sure to install a tool or a decompiler on your PC to inspect resources, then connect devices. This gets you into the conversion and rebuild process without delay, so you can act on the binary and assets right away. You now convert and adapt code. Decompile the APK to extract layouts and logic, then map Android APIs to iOS frameworks or plan a WebView wrapper for unsupported features. Once you have assets, create an Xcode project and add the converted resources, replacing Android intents with iOS equivalents and implementing permission handling. Make sure to sign Objective-C or Swift bridges for native calls, and test incremental builds in the simulator before moving to a physical device to catch integration issues early. You finish by signing and deploying. Export an IPA from Xcode, sign it with your Apple ID or a valid certificate, and sideload with AltStore or Xcode. Once installed, test every feature on the device. Validate network calls, permissions, and background behaviors. If the app crashes, inspect device console and crash logs to pinpoint missing entitlements or unsupported APIs, then rebuild with corrected plist and capabilities. Make sure to retest after each fix, and repeat signing if provisioning errors appear.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.